We're negotiating a ride to the Space Center. Dun, dun, dun.
Grab your bags, everybody, let's roll. Going, back, back.
All right, today we're going to the Narit Observatory. And this gentleman is going to take us. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yes. Los Angeles. The kids really enjoyed the observatory in Bangkok, so we're gonna go check out the Narit Observatory in Chiang Mai.
We are headed out on an adventure today to the Narit National Astrological Research. I'm making these up. It's a planetarium, a space center. We've never been before, and we've got ourselves a red bus, a Rodang, to do it right, the Chiang Mai way.
Raja decided to ride up front with the driver in the AC, and he left us common folk back here. But this is a really cool way to get around. As you know, you saw our last video. This is the local way to transport yourself through Chiang Mai.
But don't get too proud. You'll like my face.
I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready for this planetarium.
All right, we'll be back.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, the family's heading up. We're going up, and I've noticed that they have this cool playground here. Whoa. We'll check that out later.
Welcome to the Narit Planetarium.
Here at the planetarium, we're on floor number 2 right now. This is a really cool looking place, I have to say. Look at this. This weighs your weight on other planets. Oh. So what do you weigh the most?
I think I weigh the most on Saturn. Let me look. Hey, this is so cool. These are the different faces of the moon.
If I'm not mistaken, this is an actual meteorite. This is the Science Square Astro Park at Chiang Mai.
How cool. Art!
You can come in here and be a real scientist or a space explorer. Check this station out. Although a lot of the exhibits in here are in Thai, they are also interactive. So it doesn't really take a language to know science. This machine here is really cool. So there's a body sculpture inside. What you do is you take the scan here and whoa, that's really cool. And as you come up to each part, you can ask the question. And you can change it to English. Look at that. Wow. Check it.
We got a medical emergency.
So if you're not coming to see the actual film at the observatory, this place is 100% free. And if you can see behind me, there's a groups of school kids and everything. So it's a real cool place to bring children and let them interact with science and explore the galaxy, medicine, and it looks like fire safety too. All right, they've got this place called Planets, or The Planets. It's a restaurant in here, and it looks pretty cool. So I guess if you're here at the observatory and you want to have lunch, you can come here and have lunch. I'm gonna grab a bottle of water real quick. Sawadika. You got all kind of cool stuff. Ooh. French fries. Sawadika. Ooh, you got cakes and stuff. I don't think any of this stuff is vegan, but look at that. Wow, the view here is magical. Check that out. Wow. Let's actually go outside and see that because those mountains look amazing. Wow. That is a beautiful view. All right, now let's go get some water. Yeah, I think it's really cool that they have a restaurant just hanging out here. I guess you got your drinks. What they got? Sodas, drinks, and everything. 45 baht. And I'm going to grab some water. This is sparkling water that I love. I'm going to grab one bottle of water. All right, kapong kap. Thank you. All right, so a bottle here. This is a bigger one than you get in the store. This is going to be 20, and this is going to also be 20, but it's a planetarium water from the planet. Now again, this is my favorite sparkling water. And it is very air conditioned in here, but it is also good to just stay hydrated in Thailand. And again, this place is called The Planet. And it is a really, really, really cool place with an awesome view.
This museum is great. It is one where you're gonna have to read and interact. It's not just like come and look at the giant whale. You come here, you touch, you read, you get involved in it, and it's great fun. But if you've got kids who just want to go, oh, look at that big thing, and oh, look at that big thing, maybe not the right museum.
All right, where are we going now?
To the next floor.
What's down there?
I don't know.
Let's go see.
They have an elevator, or you could take the stairs.
Alright, we're down in the Inspire Lab and the kids are about to do a banana DNA workshop. The workshop is 100 baht per child.
Alright, 300 baht. That's 1, 2, 3 children. kids are going to be extracting DNA from a banana right now. This is really interesting.
This science experiment looks so fun. I wish I was doing it myself.
Now, of course, we always have one kid who doesn't want to mix, because you got to mix this for 5 minutes. So you mix the soap, the salt, the banana, and the water, and this is going to extract the deribonucleic acid. All right, last 30 seconds. It's like Master Chef up in here. Got to get it to the plate. Last 30 seconds. Mix it up. Okay. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Here we go. Uh-oh, 15 seconds left. The countdown is on. Now we gotta get this to the plate. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Somebody has a 2, 1. All right.
These small particles which
those
are
are the
white.
DNA.
Yeah, okay. So usually it'll be more of a clumpy texture. That's your DNA.
I guess a flight guy has to do a pilot has to do all these things at the same time. That's why I'm not a pilot.
I'm the real flight guy around here.
All right, now we're going to enter the astronomy insight. Now, all right, on your mark, get set, go. And go. Like the Human Torch. All right, we're gonna go into the edge of the universe now. This is pretty epic in here. This is pretty amazing. Wow. So that room was really, really cool. You can take some awesome photos there. And this observatory is just amazing. Like I talked about that playground. So this museum is pretty awesome. It's a planetarium, So this planetarium is pretty awesome. I definitely recommend you coming here to the Narit Planetarium. And like I showed you the park earlier, we're gonna go hit the park real quick before we head out.
I'm going to take off for blast off the first cricket in space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Off! Off!
All right, thanks for joining us from the Narit Observatory. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and join us for more amazing adventures from around the world. Going, back, back.